both part of exercise 3.5. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find the solution by any algebraic method. So we have given the question, and we have to prepare the equations with this question, and then we have to solve the equation for finding the solution. So what is the question? Places A and B are 100 km apart from on a highway. This is place A and this is B, and the distance between these is 100 km. One car starts from A, that is, if a car starts from A and another car from B at the same time, if the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they are in same direction. That is, if car A is in this direction, then B also in this direction. At different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. And if they travel in the same direction, that is, if car A is in this direction, car B is also in this direction, is in opposite direction, then they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? Okay, so let the speed of the two cars, let the speed of the car 1 is km per hour and the speed of the car B is y km per hour. Okay, now first we should know for solving this question that the relative speed. What is relative speed? Relative speed of two cars, that is car A and car B, is x minus y. Car in same direction, sorry. If the car in same direction, then the speed will be minus. Okay, and the relative speed of two cars, if they travel in opposite direction, then the speed will be plus, that is x plus y. Okay, so for solving this, we also know that distance is equal to, this is the formula of motion, distance is equal to speed into time. We should know this, that distance is equal to speed into time. So now we will solve according to the question, but we have given that one car starts from point A and another car from B at the same time if they travel in the same direction, that is this. If they travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Because the speeds are different, they meet in 5 hours. That is speed into time. Speed is x minus y and time is 5 hours. X minus y into 5 equal to distance, and distance is 100 km. So 5x minus 5y equals to 100, or you can write x minus y is equal to 20. So this is our first equation. Okay, now for second equation, the second equation is, we should read the statement. If the cars travel, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. That is, the speed of the car in this opposite direction is x plus y. Because this direction is opposite direction, so the car of the speed of the car is x plus y. So speed into time. Speed is x plus y, time is 1, and distance is 100 km. So second equation is second condition according to question. First condition, this is x plus y equals to 20. So this is our x plus y is equal to 100. This is our second equation. Now we will solve this equation. Now add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. X minus y is equal to 20. X plus y is equal to 100. Then this is 0. This is 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 120 upon 2. That is x is equal to 60. Now put the value of x in equation 1. Put the value of x in equation 1. So x is 60 minus y is equal to 20. So 60 minus 20 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 40. So the speed of the car is, therefore the speed of the car A is 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of car B is 40 kilometer per hour. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.